Integrating Uniswap Subgraph is a crucial step for developers who want to access valuable data from the Uniswap protocol. To begin with, it is essential to understand what a subgraph is. A subgraph is an open standard for building and publishing APIs for blockchain data, making it easily accessible to developers. The first step in integrating Uniswap Subgraph is to set up a project and install the necessary dependencies. This includes installing the Graph CLI tool, which allows you to manage subgraphs, and the GraphTS library, which provides TypeScript bindings for the Graph protocol. Next, initialize a new subgraph project by running the command to create a new subgraph. This will create a basic directory structure for your subgraph, including the schema, mappings, and assembly files. After setting up the project, define the schema for your subgraph. This involves specifying the types of data that your subgraph will store and manage. For Uniswap, this typically includes entities such as pairs, tokens, and swaps. Once the schema is defined, create a mapping that specifies how to transform blockchain data into the entities defined in the schema. This involves writing a mapping script that listens to Uniswap events and updates the subgraph entities accordingly. With the schema and mapping in place, the next step is to deploy the subgraph to a hosting service such as the Graph-hosted service or a self-hosted node. This makes the subgraph data available via a GraphQL API. To query the subgraph, use a GraphQL client library to send queries to the Subgraph API. This allows you to fetch specific data from the subgraph, such as the current price of a particular token or the total liquidity of a pair. Best practices for integrating Uniswap Subgraph include handling errors and retries, implementing data validation and sanitization, and optimizing query performance. It is also crucial to stay up to date with the latest changes to the Uniswap protocol and subgraph schema to ensure that your integration remains compatible and accurate. By following these steps and best practices, developers can successfully integrate Uniswap Subgraph into their applications and unlock the full potential of Uniswap data. This enables the creation of powerful and data-driven applications that can provide valuable insights and services to users.